Here we have a 70-plate BMW 320d M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £3,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website, but they include the M Sport Plus package. We do have the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and with the blue M Sport brake calipers. We have the blue metallic exterior paintwork, LED headlights. We also have the gloss black front grills, with the gloss black front splitter, part of the full M Performance kit which this vehicle has. Round to the passenger side, you find we have the second alloy wheel, yet again unmarked, and we do also have the side skirts as well along the bottom. We have colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. We've got the shark fin antennae up top, along with the rear spoiler lip just here on the tailgate. Coming around to the rear, you find we have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display and also a reversing camera as well. We do have the rear diffuser with the dual legs exhaust, and we also have the boot. If we press this button just here on the remote, the boot shall pop open like so. Inside of here you find we have a decent amount of space. It goes quite far back, storage pocket on the left and also on the right hand side. We do also have a handle just underneath here to pull the boot back closed with ease. Walking back around to the driver's side, you find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If we take a look then at the interior now, having a look at the back first, you find we have the full leather interior. We have the fixed ISO points, foldable armrest in the centre. We also have the ambient lighting, which you may have noticed on the doors. We have the M Sport style seat belts. We also have the climate control in the centre for the rear passengers. On the doors you find the brushed metal door handles, ambient lighting and also the electric windows. And again at the front we have the same leather interior. Both the front seats are also heated, and there is a quick look at them. Again on the doors we've got the electric windows, child lock for the rear and electric mirrors as well. We have the ambient lighting once more, automatic lights, automatic wipers, multifunctional steering wheel. If we take a seat inside, you'll find the digital dashboard here in front of us. We also have the paddle shifters on either side of the steering wheel. If we put our foot on the brake, press the start button, then the vehicle will start up for us. Just turn the volume down. We've got the speed limiter and the cruise control on the left hand side. And as you can see, also on the dashboard we are free from any warning lights. So we do have the main screen here in the centre, currently showing the sat-nav. If any of the screens or lights are flickering, it's just the camera, they're not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. We've got the shortcuts down here, so click onto the media. You find we have the radio stations. We also have the Bluetooth audio, as well as the Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls. We do have all these apps that are currently installed on the vehicle as well. And if we go into the car, then this is where you find we have the settings for the interior ambient lighting. And as you can see, we do have plenty of colours which we can choose from. We also have the intelligent safety system just here, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. And we have the drive mode buttons as well, so the adaptive drive mode, as you can see just there. We have the Eco Pro, Comfort and also Sport. And as you can see, it does also change the dials for each drive mode on the dashboard. And if you put the car into reverse, you find we have the reversing camera with the front and rear parking sensors. Putting it back into park, moving further down, we have the climate control, ice cold air conditioning, heated seat buttons on either side, working as they should do, as you can see. We also have some storage space. We have the cup holders, 12-volt connectivity and a USB port just inside of there. We've got the electric handbrake and an auto hold button. Leather armrest in the centre which can be opened up for more storage. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this 70-plate BMW 320d M Sport. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you'd expect it to. As you can see, I'm not going to fire up the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. We're not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, but staying straight and true. We do have the paddle shifters on either side. If you want to stick the car into manual mode, just tap one of the paddles and it would change gear. We also have the speed limiter and the cruise control buttons on the left hand side, volume buttons on the right. And if you do listen carefully throughout this video test drive, you'll also notice we'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. We do also have the full leather interior throughout this vehicle, which is very comfortable. You can easily do 2, 3 or even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both the front seats are also heated, which is perfect for them cold winter mornings. And we do also have the main screen here in the centre, currently showing the sat-nav. We also have plenty of other features on there that you would have seen on the photos. For example, we have the DAB radio and Bluetooth phone connectivity. You do also have plenty of other features, such as the ambient lighting on this vehicle, which really does come to life, especially at night time. We also have the free zone climate control with the ice-cold air conditioning, with the automatic gearbox with all the different drive modes as well. Now about to take a right hand turn in a moment, where I'll perform an emergency stop once we get onto the industrial park, put the car into reverse, just to show that the brakes and also the reversing camera work as they should do. So if we put our right indicator on now, and then start to slow down, wait for the traffic to pass, and then we'll make the right hand turn just in a moment onto the industrial park. So just wait for these cars to go past. This person's flashed, so if we go onto the industrial park now and then perform an emergency stop in 3, 2 and 1, hold on to the brakes, put the car into reverse, got the reversing camera just there with the front and rear parking sensors, put it back into drive with no issues whatsoever. And if this video hasn't answered all your questions, please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions along with running through some inquiries with you. That's all from me today. Cheers.